Hey everybody, so this is a Titan utility trailer, bumper hitch, 2 5/16 coupler, got the safety hooks, got your 7-prong wiring harness, has a breakaway kit. Guys, I cannot get the lights or brakes to work. You can see there's a couple butt splices that have come apart. The lights and everything are there, but just keep in mind, guys, you might have to do a little work to the electrical if you're going to just pull it down the road home. Anyway, deck's a little weathered, but it is solid. There's a small chip area here, but I don't see any weak or soft spots. Nice heavy duty diamond plate fenders. You're about 82, 83 inches between the fenders. Make sure to check out the picture of that. Diamond plate beaver tail on it. Overall length from here to the front of the deck is 18 foot. You got a 5.5 foot ramp. Nice thing about these ones is it does have that fold away drop support for when you're loading a skid loader or something, so when you're going down the road it all folds up like that. Your bars folded over there, but when you're coming to unload, the nice thing about these is you swing this one up and pin it out of the way so it doesn't dig into the dirt. All around really nice trailer, guys. It'd be a nice fix up one, do a little work to the electrical. A lot of life left in this one. Like I said, deck's pretty solid, shows a little bit of weathering. Still nice utility trailer, and you got the front mount toolbox. There is a slight bend to that jack. I don't know if you can tell in the pictures, but there is a slight bend, but the jack is free, works the way it should.